Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity ATM Access, where we will walk you through the process of using Fidelity ATMs to manage your accounts. To start, you will need a Fidelity debit or ATM card, which can be obtained by visiting the Fidelity website or by contacting their customer service. First, locate a Fidelity ATM near you by using the Fidelity website or mobile app. You can search by zip code or city to find the nearest location. Once you have found an ATM, insert your card and enter your personal identification number, also known as your PIN. Next, you will be presented with a menu of options, including balance inquiry, withdrawal, deposit, and transfer. To check your account balance, select the balance inquiry option and follow the prompts. You can also use the ATM to withdraw cash, deposit funds, or transfer money between accounts. When making a withdrawal, select the withdrawal option and choose the account you want to withdraw from. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You can also use the ATM to deposit funds into your account by selecting the deposit option and following the prompts. To transfer money between accounts, select the transfer option and choose the accounts you want to transfer from and to. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Remember to always review your transactions carefully before confirming. In addition to these basic transactions, Fidelity ATMs also offer advanced features such as bill pay and account management. You can use the ATM to pay bills, view account statements, and manage your account settings. To ensure the security of your accounts, always keep your PIN confidential and be cautious when using ATMs in public areas. Also, make sure to review your account statements regularly to detect any suspicious activity. In conclusion, using Fidelity ATMs is a convenient and secure way to manage your accounts. By following these steps and using the features available at Fidelity ATMs, you can easily check your account balance, withdraw cash, deposit funds, and transfer money between accounts. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your accounts safe.